Good morning, children. Uh, Hope you all are doing well. In this pandemic situation, you are not in the school, but hope you are all concentrating on your studies and doing well. So, children, let us enter into the subject. I am going to teach you English, and we are entering into the second chapter, C.V. Raman, the Pride of India. So, by listening to chapter name, C.V. Raman, the Pride of Pride of India, why he is proud of our India, why he became a pride of our India will come to know in this chapter. Who is C.V. Raman and what he is, why he became pride of our India. Okay. So children, before entering into the chapter, one must open this face sheet. Children, you might be thinking that this is only the explanation of face sheet, so no need to see this video and no need to listen this chapter. Listen this video. Children, it's not like that. Please understand one thing, that English is not an easy subject. If you improve your understanding skills, observation skills, learning skills, writing skills and reading skills, then only you can score good marks in English. Not only good marks in English, but you can improve your communication skills also, children. Wherever you go, and everyone will observe your communication and your body language. So to improve these both things, the one must know English. Okay. You might be thinking that nothing is there in English, only articles, noun, pronoun, grammar, and the lesson and the small questions. This is not only the English. English is a vast subject. You need to know each and every word. You need to know how to pronounce it, each and every word. Okay. So, keeping things aside, before entering to the chapter, children, please concentrate on your face sheet, because if you enter into the chapter, why we are learning this chapter? Why there is any necessary to learn this chapter? If it is unnecessary, what is it necessary? You need to know everything, and you need to know some basic information about this chapter and what the chapter deals with. So that's why you need to concentrate on the face sheet also. Please children, don't neglect the face sheet and don't neglect the questions under the picture. Okay, look at this face sheet. So what can you see here? Tell me, what can you see here? You can see 5 pictures. So can you please name them? Name yours. Okay. So I'll tell you the names. If you already know the names, children, please write them under the picture. Okay. So first, APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay. Next, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Next, C.V. Raman. What we are going to learn in the chapter. Next, who is he? Do you know? Okay, these people are familiar. We mostly learn, we read about them. Okay, can you please name him? Okay, he is Homi Jahangir Baba. Okay, his name is Homi Jahangir Baba. Okay, come to next. By seeing his costume, this badge and costume, you can say that he is an astronaut. So his name is Rakesh Sharma. So children, come to the questions given below. Who are these people? Children, here APJ Abdul Kalam is an Indian scientist. Okay, he's not a scientist also. He's also 11th president of our India from 2002 to 2007. Okay, he served as scientist. He served as politician also to our India. He is known as, children, do you know this point? APJ Abdul Kalam is also known as yes, Missile Man of India. Why he is known as Missile Man of India? Because children, he invented many vehicles in missiles in our India. He launched many vehicles. He launched many missiles. He played a very crucial role. That's why he is called as a Missile Man of India. So next, Srinivasa Ramanujan. I think you people know about him. He is an Indian mathematician. Okay, he's an Indian mathematician, and his birthday is celebrated as, yes, mathematician, on, yes, 22nd December. 22nd December. His birthday is celebrated as Mathematics Day. Okay. C.V. Raman. Children, what do you know about C.V. Raman? Raman? Tell me. Tell yourselves. At present, tell yourself. C.V. Raman. Now I am not going to say anything about C.V. Raman. When I enter into this chapter, indeed, I will be saying about C.V. Raman. Okay. Before that, what do you know about C.V. Raman? Tell yourself. Okay. And read the lesson once, twice. There is nothing wrong, children, if you read twice or more than twice. Okay. But read. Underline the difficult words. Write meanings for them. Then you can understand lesson like a story. It will be very easy for you. Okay? Come to this room. Who is he? Do you know about him? He is a nuclear physicist. In the sense, he deals with the nuclear projects. As Abdul Kalam, as a missile man of India, missile man of India, even the same, the person has also the same, in different way. Like I said, he is a nuclear physicist. He is also known as father of a nuclear program, Indian nuclear programs. Okay. Next, come to this Rakesh Sharma. Children, many people went into the space. There are only few Indians. He is the only Indian citizen who entered into the space. Many people entered into the space who has Indian background but not an Indian citizen. Okay, this is only a brief explanation about what you are seeing in the picture on the face. Okay, next come to this third question, children. Do you want to be a scientist? How many of you want to be a scientist? If you want to be a scientist, why you want to be a scientist? Children, becoming a scientist is not an easy task. The person who wants to become scientist should be very curious, should be very active in the class and should be very conscious. He should, every time he or she should think what going to happen next, why it will happen. In every point they have to think. Then only one can become scientist and do better things, better inventions to our India. Okay. This is about this picture and the questions given below. Next, come to oral discourse. Here, children, they have given that impact of scientific inventions on human life. Children, nowadays there is a huge impact on human lives because of these scientific inventions. There is a good impact, of course, because without any scientific inventions like spacecraft, nuclear projects, these signals, phones will not be done. We will unable to use those things. So it plays a huge role. And one thing, due to the scientific inventions, machinery, industries have developed. Due to this, our employment has developed. Economy has improved. Okay, science plays a huge role in our lives. Okay, children, if you want to discuss anything about this, we will discuss later about this scientific inventions. So in next video, I will enter into the chapter and I will say why C.V. Raman has become more proud of India.